What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I just came across this cute little snowman, and he's very not, he's kind of rustic. Like, if you look at him, he doesn't have anything sparkly, anything fun. So, I'm going to make him into a tree topper using Christmas ribbons that are also not very sparkly, right? I'm going to use the pop-up green to start with. Hey, y'all. Y'all, I am going to give it a pretty decent tail. You love snowman? Let's give it about a 7-inch loop. Y'all, we are going to do 3 of these. So 1, 2, here's number 3. Get that tail cut down. Y'all, I'm going to add in the black and white. All right, now I'm going to go with the 4-inch. Now I'm going to come back with the black and white again. In my Etsy class, I don't think I have the link available. Just go to DecoExchange and then click on events. All right, then we're going to do our little center loop. Take our long pipe cleaner. We're going to slide this off. The bow makers are back in stock. All right. Y'all, then we're just going to take this giant bow and we're going to attach it right to our little snowman. Y'all, so right on the stem, right down here under his face, we're going to get it twisted off. All right. Now, y'all, I'm personally going to pull this right over to the side. And get him fluffed back out. We're going to go ahead and trim these. I am not going to show y'all how to open an Etsy shop tonight. That's not what tonight's goal is. All right, so y'all, because this is just wrapped onto the stick, it's not gonna hold where it needs to very well. So I'm going to get our glue hot. We're gonna get a little bit of glue on the back of this bow, and then we're gonna push it like right up against his little chin so that the bow stays at the top. So I'm gonna go right behind the back of the bow, put our glue, and then just push that bow towards the top. Right? And then we're just gonna hold it like this until it dries. You missed how I attached the bow. I literally wrapped it around the stick. Y'all, now our bow is gonna stay perky, right? So if you ask, why do I put mesh on my wreath? Y'all, the mesh works to hold your bow where you put it, right? No mesh, it ain't perky. There we go. Nice and simple. And the customer would be able to just attach it right into their tree. So it's got the stick on it, slide it in. I would zip tie it up there to make sure it stays. And nice and quick and done. I'm going back and finish working on the training for tonight. If you're not in the Etsy training, you should go to the DecoExchange Facebook page, click on events, and check out the Etsy pop-up class. All right? Bye, y'all.